Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my previous videos. In today's video, we'll see how we can convert our punch needle design into pillow cover. From many days I wanted to try this. This puppy face design I have completed it some time back and I'm going to use that today. When I started this design, I thought I will make it a bit bigger, but it turned out a bit small because I didn't draw it that big. So if we have to use this for a pillow cover, it will look very small. So I'm just trying to add some lines so that it will give a square look. This design tutorial is available on my channel. I have added the link in the description box. You can refer if required. For this pillow cover, I don't have the exact matching backside cloth, so I'm going to use some random color which I have it with me just to see how the pillow cover design will look like. So for stitching, I am using hand machine which I ordered from Amazon. Watch the complete video and let me know how it turned out. Thank you.